Okay, I just want to thank you for that opening, okay? Now on to the real show, guys. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Well, like it was said, my name's Nate Rublinger. I'm not really sure why I was selected to speak tonight, but, you know, we're here now, so what are you going to do about it? Before I officially begin, members of the school board have kindly asked me to point out your emergency exits located on your left and your right. Your left and your right. And in case my speech crashes and burns, your seat will act as a flotation device. With that being said, I want to say how honored I am to have been selected to speak before you all tonight. Despite my opening remarks, tonight is not a competition, but a celebration of our successful completion of our K-12 education. Woohoo, guys! We slaved in our schoolwork for the past 14 years of our lives to get our name announced, walk up on stage, and receive a piece of paper. When it's put that way, I'm sure every one of us would consider high school to be a colossal waste of time. However, there is so much more to it. In our short 4 years here at the University of Kimberly, we gained enough knowledge. We gained enough knowledge to fill tons of textbooks that none of us would care to read. We experienced once-in-a-lifetime events that make us smile to this day. We met amazing people who have redefined and reshaped our thinking of the world and the people that we want to become. And we made memories that will last a lifetime. The diploma that we received tonight does not just reflect our academic successes, but represents our high school experience as a whole. The good, winning the 3-peat, acing that pre-calc tester, getting a 1-star at solo ensemble. The bad, losing the state football title freshman year, failing that pre-calc test, or forgetting your lines on opening night. And the ugly, puberty. The memories and knowledge that we take with us on our future endeavors will undoubtedly propel us to success, because a tree cannot grow tall and proud without its roots. So, as you sit here and look to the people on your left and your right, you realize that maybe high school wasn't so bad. I mean, many people do regard high school as the best 4 years of their lives. Let me stop you right there. I know that I've been somewhat preaching about how amazing high school has been, but I'm going to make one point very clear. These should not be the best years of your life. If AP testing, dealing with the parking lot, and hearing those god-awful jokes of the day every single morning comprises the best years of your life, there is something wrong with you. I'm sorry to the joke of the day, lady. I know you're out in band. Okay, don't misunderstand me. I personally loved my time here at KHS. I've developed amazing relationships with my fellow peers and instructors. I put myself out there by joining new clubs, participating in the arts, and competing in sports. And I push myself academically and socially. And the same is true for all of you, or else you wouldn't be graduating tonight. You could say that I'm sad to see it all come to an end, because believe me, I am sad. But I'm also ready. We are ready. We are ready to move on with our lives, to begin our adulthood, and to utilize our new independence. We are ready to explore and to discover, and to learn just as much about the world as we do about ourselves. We are ready to expand our horizons, to be in a surrounding where our success is determined by our level of happiness and not by a letter grade. And we are ready to make something of ourselves, to commit our whole heart to the things we love, and to be proud of what we accomplish. High school, for all it's worth, is a mere stepping stone in our lifelong pursuit of happiness, and we are all ready to take that next step. Tonight we are missing 2 members of our class of 2016, Harley and Tristan. Although I didn't know Tristan as well as I would have liked, Harley and I were longtime friends. Harley DeSarmo was unlike any other person that you've ever met before, because she truly got it. She understood what it meant to live life to the fullest. Harley genuinely believed that laughter and having fun was the best cure for anyone down in the dumps, and she always knew how to put a smile on your face. She didn't just commit herself to her schoolwork or to her sports teams, she committed herself to God, her relationships, and being the best version of herself possible. Harley didn't care about what other people thought of her, instead caring about how she could help the lives of her friends and family better. We should all strive to live as Harley did, a life of compassion, love, and no regrets. So tonight I'm going to leave you with a bit of advice, something to think about as we go our separate ways. Look fondly on your high school memories, but don't be constrained by them. It's okay to reminisce over the good times that you had, but create memories so great that they cast shadows on the ones that you have now. Like Harley, live your life to the fullest and have no regrets. And be a shining light to others in your life, someone that exudes positivity and confidence and wants to see the world become a better place. Because if you can do these things, your life will be far greater than the 4 years that you spent here at Kimberly. Tonight is not the end of an era, the peak of your happiness. Tonight is the start of something better, the start of the rest of your life. Are you ready? Congratulations, class of 2016, we did it. I can't wait to hear about the new memories that each one of you creates in your life. Thank you.